Hi guys, so today we're going to show your my new house. Show your new house. There is a sofa that this like that. Look at my bed, guys. This is my bedroom. My toys, electric fan. This is Tasha's bedroom, guys. Look at this. Zia's bed and Tasha's bed, guys. And this is the kitchen, guys. This is my toothbrush, my toothpaste, guys. And this is my toothbrush, guys. Bye, guys. See you next time for showing my new house, guys. Bye.